sales. Intercompany sales topic. Let me explain what is intercompany sales. Intercompany sales is whereby the sales organization which sells the goods to the customer belongs to one company code, and the plant which deliver the goods to the customer, this arrow is not right. The delivery will be done directly to the customer, so let me just correct this. Let me just bring over this to this place and bring it down here and draw an arrow here, so this will be more appropriate. The reason I'm doing this is because the goods are not delivered to the sales organization and then to the customer. It is directly delivered to the customer, so that it's faster. Okay, let me repeat. Intercompany sales is whereby the sales organization which sells the goods to the customer belongs to one company code, and the plant which delivers the goods to the customer belongs to another company code. I have created a test company code to demonstrate this intercompany sales, because using one company code we cannot really demonstrate this example. So therefore I have created a test company code over here. Let me show you. This is going to be my test company code. Test 2. This is my test company code, and I have assigned these to I have linked it to Sun company code using a special assignment here. Can you see this? Sun and test 2 are linked to a company group company called Solar. This is the place whereby we assign company codes to group company code. This company is actually represent the group company, and the company code represents the subsidiaries under the group company. So company code and company is not the same in SAP. I repeat, company code and company is not the same in SAP. It is different, whereby the company represents the group company code, and the company code represents the subsidiary under the group company. Okay, so this is how we represent a group company and its subsidiaries. This is actually a FICO topic. You don't have to worry about this configuration. Your FICO consultant will do this configuration. But in order to understand the intercompany sales, you must also understand how a group company is structured with its subsidiary. Let me draw something here so that it's more meaningful. These two company codes are linked to group company Solar. Sun and test 2 are linked to Solar company group. Group company. Let me create a bigger box. Let me write it up first. Sun and link to group company solar. So this is more meaningful. Let me draw the box now. Is it clear? So we have defined a test company code and assign it to group solar, so that we can carry on our intercompany sales. So this is done. Now we need to create a London plant. Let me create it. You know about it. Sorry, this is not SD topic, it's MM topic, so don't worry about it, but you can just follow. It's just an additional information for you on how to create a plant. I'm going to copy from New York plant, copy it from New York plant, name it as London. Factory calendar must be, instead of okay, why not we make this as a US plant, so that we don't have to change the country information and so forth. So just change this to SF4 San Francisco or Dallas, easier. So this is our Dallas plant, but it is within US as well. So I'm going to change this to Dallas. DL stands for Dallas. So it is within US, so we don't have to change the country keys. Just accept. Now save. We have created a plant. Now let us go to assignment of plant to a company. It should be here under assignment. Logistic General, assign plant to company code. Plant DALL. Oh, new entries. I need to enter a new entry. Company code is TES2 and plant is DALL, stands for Dallas. So we have assigned it. Now the other thing to do is let me just check. You've created a new plant, Dallas. So I think it is good to go. Let me raise sales order now. But before that, we need to do some configuration first. Before we look at the configuration, let me complete this slide here. Once Dallas plant deliver goods to sales organization New York's customer, Dallas has to bill Sun company code, so that it recovers the cost of the goods it has shipped to the customer. Otherwise it will be free of charge. So bills and collect payment from Sun. So this makes more sense. Let me move this to here so that it doesn't confuse. So Sun company code will be billing the customer for the goods sold, and at the same time test 2 company code will also be billing Sun company code to collect the intercompany billing amount from Sun company code, because test 2 is the one delivering the goods to customer, so it can't be delivering it for free. It has to get the payment for the goods it delivers to customer from Sun company code. So there is another billing involved from test 2 to Sun, and from Sun to customer. Sells goods to customer, bills customer, collect payment. Okay, this means that Sun has to bill customer and collect payment from him in the same way like how test 2 has to collect the payment from Sun company code. This makes more sense. Now we need to configure certain things, because we need to automate all these functions so that there's no any manual intervention for this intercompany sales scenario. So let me show you one by one. Firstly, okay, before that let me explain to you how the process will work. Let me use this space. The first step that will happen is that Sun company code will raise a sales order and send it to customer. In the sales order, delivering plant will be specified as Dallas test 2, Dallas from test 2. Then delivery, outbound delivery will be posted by test 2, Dallas test 2. Then Sun will create a billing document for customer. After that, test 2 will create a billing document for Sun. This is how the whole process works. So let me ask you something. When Sun when test 2 create a billing document for Sun, how this document will be posted? Because when test 2 create a billing document for Sun from the delivery document, let me add something. From delivery document created in step 3, and the same thing will happen for this as well. So my question to you is, both the step 4 and step 5 will be using the delivery document created in step 3. So how the system will know that when Sun create a billing document for customer using the delivery document created in step 3, how the system will know that the customer that needs to be posted is the customer that Sun Company Code has sold to. On the other hand, how the system will know in step 5 that it has to post a billing document to a different customer than the actual customer, because in step 5 the customer of the billing document should be Sun and not customer, because in step 5 test 2 is billing this company code, Sun Company Code, so the customer number cannot be the same, right? So how the system will know to differentiate the customer, the actual customer and the internal customer? So we need to specify some settings so that the system will know whether to use the external customer or internal customer. Let me show that to you now. Go to billing, intercompany billing. Okay, all the settings, configuration settings required for intercompany billing is available here. You don't have to go anywhere else. It's under sales organization, intercompany billing, define order types for intercompany billing. Here you need to specify which sales order document types can be used for intercompany billing. Intercompany billing is a special sales document which is IV. Let us go and check what this IV contains. You can go here, sales documents, sales document types, go to IV. Oh, sorry, it's not a sales document, it's a billing document. So you have to go here. It's under sales distribution, billing document, define billing types. Go to IV here, intercompany billing. You can have some special settings here to denote that this is the intercompany billing. Can you see this SD document category, intercompany invoice? This is the one which classifies this billing type as intercompany billing. So which is number 5. Let me go here, intercompany document category 5, which is intercompany invoice. Yeah. So once this billing document is defined, you need to assign this billing document to a sales order under this option here, intercompany billing. It is right beneath billing, sales document types. So let us assign intercompany billing for our standard order as well. It's already been assigned. If it is not assigned, you can assign it, so that we can raise the intercompany sales order after this setting has been performed using AEBO. That's the first step. Secondly, we need to specify which sales organization is authorized to buy from intercompany plants. You may have many sales organizations like Washington's sales organization and so forth. It is not readily configured it's not automatically configured that any sales organization can buy from intercompany plants. It has to be set up in such a way that a particular sales organization is authorized to buy from an intercompany plant. The authorization is set here. Assign organization and units to plants. Go to plant NY. Oh, sorry, we are not delivering from NY, we are delivering from Dallas. So go to Dallas here, specify sales organization NY, distribution channel RE, and division is laptop, and save it. So now it is clear that sales organization NY, distribution channel RE, and division laptop, this sales area is authorized to buy from internal plant Dallas. That's what this configuration is doing. Without this authorization, you cannot simply buy from an internal plant. This has to be done. Then thirdly, define internal customer number by sales organization. I raised you a question just now that in step 4 and step 5 we will be using the same delivery document created in step 3. So how this system will know that at step 4 it has to use the external customer number as the customer, and at step 5 it has to use internal customer number as a customer. It is defined here. When the system is going to post a billing document for Sun company code, we need to create an internal customer code to represent this customer. That is done here. Just create and assign an internal customer. Go to NY. There is an internal customer. Let us create one. I'm going to create XD01 by copying from 5002 in the existing one. LP. So create trade customer and create one. So this will be internal customer, sorry, for NY sales organization. Country will be US, city will be New York. Let me try to save. Okay, this 5015 has been created. Let me assign it here. This is going to be our customer number for sales organization NY. Save it. Data was saved. So in our billing document generated over here, the customer number will be 500015, the one that we created just now. Then you can ignore this last step here because this is this for another scenario in intercompany transaction. This scenario is for intercompany stock transfer, because what we are seeing here is the sales to external customer. It could be that just for stocking purposes, sales organization NY might be buying from, company code Sun might be buying some goods from company code test 2 and just stock it in the inventory. If that happens, it is called intercompany stock transfer, because there's no sales involved. We are not selling it to external customer. We are just transferring some goods from test 2 to Sun company code, which is called intercompany stock transfer. So intercompany stock transfer is not covered under SD module because it doesn't involve sales. It is more of a MM topic, because once the goods have been delivered from test 2 to Sun in an intercompany stock transfer, test 2 will be billing Sun and Sun will be paying test 2 directly. So that is more of MM topic, will not be covered here, so you can ignore this, the last step. I think we are good to go, but let us create the first thing first. Sun will raise a sales order and send it to customer. So let us do it now. VA01 to raise a sales order. So we can use AEBO, press enter. Now sold to party is Sun and Y. I'll be using laptop this guy, and the material is 1247. Order quantity is, let's say, it's about 2 units. Sales organization will be laptop, New York and retail. Okay, this one we know what to do. We need to change the document currency. It is under, let me just check. Under header, sales header, enter USD, press enter. Okay, now go back, choose Dallas, because remember this step, in the sales order the delivering plant will be specified as Dallas test 2, otherwise this will not be considered as an intercompany sales. So the plant has to be, oh, we haven't created this material in Dallas plant yet, so let us go and create it. MM01 1247, create plant, general plant data, Dallas, it says the material already exists and will be extended. This is not a SD topic. You can ask your MM consultant to do this part. Just ask him to extend material to Dallas plant and just enter the plant related information. Save it, and we can also create a storage location. Plant storage location, Dallas storage location, let's say We haven't created a storage location yet. Yeah, we haven't created a storage location, so let us create a storage location. Definition, logistic general, define location. So not location, storage location. Maintain storage location over here. This topic anyway, and new entries, just put common. I don't want to be specific. Common storage, because we have only one storage location in the Dallas plant, because it's just an example. Let's not complicate the topic. And we need to go back. As it create a material now for that storage location. General plant data del common will be extended okay. It has been created. Let me just send 1247 display storage location stock. Now we can see the storage location stock. Not com, here is Dallas. It's empty, so let us create some data here so that we can deliver. Go to Migo. You know how to do this, we have done this earlier. Anyway, this is the topic. You can ask the consultant to do this, or buy our training videos if you want to do it on your own. Go to good receipt and other. Let's choose other. Now enter 1247, quantity 1000, or let's make it 100. Store it in Dallas, storage location com, and check the document now. Show overview. Oh, we need to change the posting date. 5/2006. Combination of plant, Dallas, and material type. Okay, we need to do something about this. Let me show you what to do. Go to material type, search material type here. I've forgotten the correct path. Okay, go to this define attributes of material types. So the material master. Go in, go to FERT, because our material 1247 is assigned to material type FERT. Going to quantity and value updating, position as Dallas, and select this two checkboxes. This is topic, so don't worry about it, just follow what I'm doing so that we can proceed with our SD topic. These are the prerequisites. Let me just check accounting data. Yeah, accounting data not yet maintained, so let me go and maintain it now. I think we have seen this in our earlier topics. MM01 1247, press enter, enter again, go to accounting data 1, go to Dallas, create and enter the price, standard price of $5, press save, enter valuation class. Probably you can enter the same valuation class of the finished goods. Now let me see if the error message has been cleared. Check GL account. Yeah, this GL account which is linked to the stock is not created in this company code yet, so let us go and create it. FS00, a lot of prerequisites to be completed. Test 2, enter. Yes, it does not exist, so we need to create it. We create with reference from Sun company code, cost of sales, press save. Alright, now check again. Okay, the document is okay to be posted. Let's post it now. So we'll be having 100 units in our inventory for Dallas common storage location. GL account does not exist. Okay, one more GL account is needed. Just go and create it. Let's not dwell on this too much because all these are MM and FICO topics. Create with reference Sun. This is the current asset stocks. Created. Now post it again. Let it post. Alright, it's posted now. Let me go and check our stock. Go to display 1247, storage location Dallas common, and you can see 100 units here. So we are good to create the delivery from our Dallas plant. Now let us save this. I've changed the plant to Dallas in creation of sales or standard order. So we are completing this second step now. Sales from sales organization plan are not defined. Oh yeah, we haven't defined this. Remember I told you that we need to specify some configuration. So without those configuration, the system will not accept intercompany billing. Let's go and do it now. Intercompany billing. Assign organization units by plant. This is where we need to specify. I think we have already specified this. I don't know why the error message still appears there. Let me just check the error message again. Sales organization NY distribution. Let's see the long text. Oh, okay, I know what's a mistake. But it has been assigned as New York retail and laptop. Let me just check the error message again. Sorry about that. Okay, what the system is complaining is another step, which is over here. Enterprise structure assignment, sales and distribution, assign sales organization distribution channel to plant. This says this is also need to be specified. So let us assign it. Sales organization, let us go to NY RE, copy this, assign it to Dallas, press enter. This is also a required step. Let me just save this again. This is a refresh problem, you need to go out and come in again. VA01 AEBO 1247. Order unit 2 units. Let's make it 5 units. And delivering plan will be Dallas instead of New York. It's defaulting from the material master. It's defaulting the plan from the material master. Let us change it to Dallas and press save again. Not defined. This is strange. I've already assigned sales. Let me just check what is the issue here. I did assign it. Enterprise structure assignment, sales distribution, assign, set up sales area. Probably the sales area is not set up yet. Let me set up the sales area. Sales area is already set up. Sales area, I think I did not save it. It was my mistake, sorry. And why RE Dallas is not in the system? My apologies. Let me save it now properly. Number of entries copied 1, so it's saved. So let me just check. Save it. Now it's good. Document has no checking group material. You can ignore this message. No business area can be determined for item 10 because company code test 2 has been marked for business area business area posting. So let us go and deactivate it. It's under enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Edit and delete company code data. Go to edit company code data, go to test 2 and deactivate this. Oh sorry, not this tab. Go to global settings. Company code, enter global parameters, go to test 2, double click on it and deactivate business area financial statement. You could recall that we also did this for Sun company code. Now let us save it again. Pricing error, mandatory price condition PY01 is missing, so this has to be fixed. Let me just check something here. Pricing error, complete data, PI01 is missing. Let me just check what is the issue here. Intercompany price, okay, intercompany price is missing. That's one thing. There's one more important thing that I need to explain to you. If you have defined your own price determination procedure, make sure you have the PI01 condition type, otherwise your intercompany billing will not work. Let me show that to you now. Pricing, basic functions, pricing, go to pricing control, define assigned pricing procedure, go to define pricing procedure determination, go to New York and take note of the pricing procedure which is assigned to this New York sales organization, and go back, go to maintain pricing procedure and locate the pricing procedure which is this. Select this and go to control data, scroll down and look for PI01. Can't use the position. Make sure the PI01 is in the pricing procedure. This one, intercompany price. If you are using the standard procedure, then it's okay, definitely it will be there. But if you have copied the procedure and modified certain things, please do not delete this if you want the intercompany price to be maintained. This record is required, which is a statistical record. So it will not, the price maintained in this condition will not be used for any value posting because it's statistics, but it will represent the price at which Dallas is selling the goods to Sun. So let us go and maintain it now. Close this. Let us go to condition record creation, master data, conditions, create, choose PI01, go to price, individual prices, choose create, and sales organization NY, distribution channel RE, customer. The customer should be the intercompany customer code, yeah, which is 15, because our intercompany customer code is 15 that we have assigned for Sun. Remember, we assign it here. Sales, looking for sales, billing, intercompany billing. Remember, we assigned 500015 for our New York sales organization, so we need to assign a price for the condition type PI01. No, we can't do it here. We need to go here by customer material. I choose this option, condition type PI01. It's not here. Just enter 1247. The amount is $2. PI01 is not there. Okay, pricing, let me just use complete data. I can also enter it here, PI01 intercompany price. I can enter manually over here. I don't have to use the condition record. Let's say I'm going to enter $3. Complete. Document currency, missing document currency, so let me enter it here. Header, sales, document currency USD, press enter. Again, it's cleared, PI01 is missing, so never mind, we can add it again. Let me just check why it doesn't accept this. Analysis, PI01, condition entered, condition record missing. Let me just check whether it accepts manual assignment.